Okay, YouTubers, this is Jaco Company. Right now, I'm going to fix this laundry room. So, right now, I'm going to cut it off. Then fix this from over here. So, and after that, I'm going to paint them. And I just removed the vinyl uh, um, flooring down over here. So, I'm going to replace with same vinyl, but this is gonna be the square one. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut it off, all the bad stuff right there, and then I'm going to put a new board on the bottom. So right now I'm starting to cut it off, and so and repaint the whole unit, the whole laundry room. So okay.
Reliving her single glory days. Was she cheating on you? According to the police.
Okay, this is almost done. Painted all over the top right there. Okay, put the shelving. This is the shelves right here. That's the paint right there. Okay, now I'm going to lay the vinyl floor right here. So it's 12 by 12. So that's what I'm going to do. Pour everything up here. So when I finish that, I'm going to repaint and put the molding, the ground molding. Right there. Okay. I put already 3 there, so right now almost cover all the way to the end right there. So I started from the end, and when you are putting vinyl, these are the sticky some sticky vinyl. You need to clean the floor, sweep it out, take out all those dirts right there. And before you're gonna put the next stickers, those are sticky vinyl. Okay, this is almost done. So I already lay all of them on this room for washer laundry room. This is 5 foot width and 5 foot length, so it covers only one box of that. So now here, so all the time you put it in, you need to always follow where they're going through the arrows. They need to be go all the way that way. You're going all the way to the door, and every time you lay them, you need to clean them before you put the vinyl sticker. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, this is almost done. I am just going to put the crown in there, the molding. When you're molding, just gonna put this molding on the bottom, and then everything is done. Painted the whole thing. I laid the floor down over here, the vinyl floor. So from there to here, that's the old one right there. I don't know how long is this apartment down over here. Probably thinking about maybe these are 25 years old apartment. It's been totally need to be a renovation. So yeah, it's almost done. Just gonna put the molding on the bottom, and then it's all set. This is only for the laundry room. Okay, and I put it back the shelf right there on the top, right there. Okay. Okay, this is done. I am just finishing up a little bit the molding, because you know these are all wall, you know, and they have a gap over there that I put it in the new molding right there. So I already put that new molding, and there now see all those gap right there. I just gonna put the caulking on that. So this is done. So I just go into one more coating on the bottom, kind of a little bit shadow right there. So I'm gonna put one more paint in there, and that's it. All right, okay, that's the only thing you need. Floor is good right here, and this is only for the laundry room. So all right, okay, thank you again for watching. This is Jacob of Trade. Thank you, bye bye.